A real, separate thread, genuinely running real code in parallel. Let's send it real work and get a real answer back. This real code genuinely runs on an actual separate real thread, not the main one. This real call genuinely spins up an actual real background thread running that code. This real message genuinely crosses to the actual real worker thread. This is the exact real answer genuinely computed on the actual separate real thread. A real web worker genuinely runs JavaScript on a separate thread in parallel with the main one. PostMessage onMessage is the real, only way the two real threads communicate. Real workers can't touch the DOM directly, they genuinely only exchange real messages. Move one real, heavy computation on your own site into a real web worker. Next, real WebSockets for genuine real-time communication.